Microsoft Excel is one of those applications which gets used for so many varying tasks that it's hard to overstate just how important learning some of its little tricks can be for improving your efficiency with this amazing application. In this, our second part of a three-part series on Microsoft Excel, we're sharing a little known secret for dealing with one of the most common frustrations that this application can present. I am Jeff Clark, technical consultant with PICS ITech, and it's time for another episode of ITech Insights. If you've worked with Excel for any length of time, you have most likely done the arduous task of fixing the formatting of an existing spreadsheet, in which multiple pieces of important data are all lumped together into a single cell, where having them separated out into multiple cells is really what you need. Let me show you what I mean. A common spreadsheet in many companies is a company contact sheet containing everyone's name, phone number, extension, department, etc. But what if the first and last name are all lumped together into a single cell, instead of a cell for first name and one for last name? Here's a great way to split that group of information into its individual parts. The first step is to insert an empty column to the right of the column containing the data you're splitting up. This empty column is where parts of that lumped up section will end up. Next, select the entire column, or just the cells that you would like to split the data from. Click on the Data tab in the menu bar and select Text to Column. In most cases, the default delimited is what you want, so leave that one as it is. Click Next and select how the words in your consolidated cells are separated. In this case, the names are separated by a space. In your case, they may be separated by a colon or a comma or a semicolon. In that case, just select the appropriate one. Click Next and then select Finish. As you can see, everything is now separated, and it took less than 30 seconds to do it. While this may not be one of those things you'll use every day, when you need it, it's a great trick to have up your sleeve. If you missed our first part of this series of Excel tips and tricks, I encourage you to go back and watch it. Also, keep your eyes out for our third and final piece of this three-part series, where we'll be covering another great tip for getting the most out of Microsoft Excel. We would love your feedback on these iTech Insights. If you've got any topics that you'd like for us to cover, or any particularly great tool that you think our viewers should know about, please reach out to us. You can send us an email at insights@pixitech.com or visit our website at pixitech.com/insights, from which you can fan us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, link with us on LinkedIn, and see all of the great other technical tips that we provide. We hope that you'll find this tip for Microsoft Excel as useful as we have, and we'd love to hear how you're using it in your day-to-day lives. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, this is Jeff Clark with PICS ITech, and that's another episode of iTech Insights in the can.